today, well, this is pre-recorded what you're going to see. Look at the state of my hair, honestly. I have been to 2 show homes for a little bit of inspiration. I did speak about it on the way to work, but I went with my friend Annette and we had a little look around, which you're going to see shortly. But these are extremely expensive show homes. One is 1.2 million and one is £880,000, but they're stunning. They're absolutely lovely. So before we get into that, today's video has kindly been sponsored by Traffic Puzzle. Traffic Puzzle is a game that's free to download on iTunes or Google Play. If you've got an Android phone, you can have it on iPad or phone. It's a game where an evil force has made a mess on the streets and there is only one person who can clean the mess, and that is you. So you get to clear the way using colours. I'll include a little clip here for you to see me playing the game. Puzzle solving using colours. So the helicopters need to land on the helipads and you need to clear the road for the ambulances to be able to get through. You use the colours to match to clear the way. So where there's 2 green or red cars, the next car that comes up, you will use that colour car to clear the way. It's actually really therapeutic to play. It clears your mind. It's a great way to just distract your mind, clear, concentrate on the game. Have 5 minutes where you don't have to think about your worries or your troubles or anything. Get lost in the game and have a little bit of fun. It is very therapeutic. I love to do it of a night. I usually have a shower or a bath and then put Traffic Puzzle on, play it for half an hour. It's a bit like meditation for me because it's a complete distraction. So as you can see, you just clear the road by matching 3 cars the same colour. And then when you've done that, you can make the city look beautiful by planting grass. You get to explore a wonderful cartoon-like world with a really funny storyline. It is a great way of training your brain and keeping your brain active. There are new frequent events with different fresh gameplay, so you will never get bored playing Traffic Puzzle. I love it. I love sitting down with a cup of tea, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to sit down with a nice cup of tea. I'll leave all the details in the description box down below. It's free for you to download and just have a little play. It's nice to have a little bit of distraction, but I'm going to have a nice cup of tea and now I'm going to let you see the show homes that were incredibly expensive.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far. You fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick by you. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the
Those show homes were unbelievable. So the first one was the Blenheim, and that was £880,000. And then the second show home, where you seen Annette scare the life out of me where she was hid in the kitchen, that one was 1.2, and that's called the, oh god, what's that one called? Well, there was the Blenheim and the oh gosh, I can't even remember. But leave me a comment down below and let me know which one was your favourite, and I'll let you know which one was my favourite. Well, see if you can guess which one was my favourite. But I loved so many things in those show homes, especially the dining room in the second house, in the one for the 1.2 million. Like, I love that uniform look, and as you know, I've got the wave track curtains, which I'm going to be taking with me to my new house. They were so expensive, I couldn't leave them. I couldn't bring myself to leave them. They were that expensive, so I will be taking them with me. That's Peg snoring. Let me go and get it, actually. Say hello, everybody. She's had her haircut again, and it's so short, isn't it, Peg? Hey? She's hurt her leg, haven't you? Jumping off the couch. Jumping off. And she's hurt her right foot. But you're okay, aren't you? It's nearly better now, isn't it? But yeah, those show homes, I've found lots of items like Annette, Peg, and that was a bag of nerves, because I'm that person that goes into the show homes and turns the ornaments upside down because I want to know where they're from, and I take the pictures off the walls because, are you digging your claws in me? Oh, what's the matter? Oh, she's looking for sympathy. Yeah, I'm that person that takes the pictures off the walls. Just run away with. Just run away with. Come on then, here's your baby. Here's a baby, here's a baby, here's your baby. Come on then, you won't leave. Listen how quiet it is. All you can hear is me noodles bubbling on the hob. I'm starving. But yeah, I'm that person that takes the pictures off the walls because I want to see where things are from. And it's just because I'm so inspired, that's all it is. I've found 3 lots of wallpaper. I've found the art that was on the walls in the first bedroom. I kind of go over it and it's got like the amber light. Those prints I absolutely loved. I'm going to recreate a few of those looks that you've seen in them show homes in our new house. And I can't wait to start. There was a gorgeous turquoise and gold, like spotty type of wallpaper, but it was like textured wallpaper, absolutely gorgeous, incredibly expensive, but even if you just do one wall, it'll look so nice. Found that. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I might do it in our downstairs toilet. Let me let the dogs back in. I think I've mentioned it before that our Peg's got hip dysplasia and luxating patella, so she doesn't have the strongest legs, back legs. The front legs are fine, but she doesn't have the strongest back legs because her hips just aren't strong enough to support her, if that makes sense. But she's okay, she's absolutely fine. But yeah, I've took so much inspiration. I'm going to put that wallpaper in the downstairs toilet and I'm going to make it look all fancy. I can't wait. If anything, it's made me so excited. Like, I found the grey ladder, the bathroom, like caddy style ladder. I found that. So I've pretty much found all the little bits that I wanted. I haven't bought them yet because obviously I'm not going to do none of that until I move. But I loved that dining table with the chairs all in a line, and it had the coral style vases that I used to have in that corner of the room. If you've been here for a while, you'll remember it. I sold it on Facebook Marketplace anyway because it was just too big. It was too big for in here, but seeing it on that dining table made me go, oh wow, it looked gorgeous. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed having a little nose around those show homes. I don't know whether you've seen it yet, but I filmed Ollie's reaction to seeing our new house. It was so funny and lovely to see it. It's made Ollie excited too. I don't even know whether you'll have seen that video yet or whether that's still to come. I've no idea, but it was lovely filming it and seeing his reaction because he's actually not seen the house in the flesh. Although Lee and I have viewed it twice, Lee hadn't seen it. And that's another thing as well. I never actually updated you all on the details of the house, but we bought the house on the, I want to say the 9th or the 10th of January. I think it was the 9th or the 10th of January anyway. We had previously purchased a property, but the vendors hadn't found anywhere to move to. So there was a little bit of to and fro, and bear in mind, we actually decided on my granddad's birthday last year, on the 15th of April, we decided last year to sell our house. So this has been really long-winded. We lost our first buyer because there was delays in us finding a property, and we just didn't want that to happen again. And then I have a search saved on Rightmove for when properties come up, and I was still looking at it, and Lee was still looking too. And this house came up. I can't remember whether it was the 9th or the 10th of January. There was no chain involved. We went and viewed it. We fell in love with it, and it was the house for us, and that is the house that we're purchasing. But I've got a separate video that I have been filming, which has basically been a moving diary that I don't even know whether I'm going to share it on YouTube. It may just be one of those things that I keep for myself just to look back on, because it's quite an emotional video, and the last thing I want is to make anybody low energy. So I don't know whether I'm going to share that, but with the moving diaries, do let me know if that's something that you want to see. My noodles are literally boiling away, and I can gab for England, just know that. But I just thought I'd let you know, because there's been quite a few comments on the video saying you feel like you have missed a video. You didn't. I just didn't disclose any details about the house. I did mention it briefly that we had found another house and that we'd put an offer on another house, but that was all I told you really. But we're proceeding with it anyway. We've got a few weeks left before we actually move. But yeah, things are moving pretty quickly, and it's nice. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait for Christmas. I can't wait to be able to decorate the rooms, and everything is just making me excited. But I'm gonna go and get my noodles. So thank you so much to Traffic Puzzle for sponsoring today's video. All the details are in the description box down below, but I highly recommend it. I love these type of little games that you can just get sucked into for 5 or 10 minutes and then pick up where you left off a little bit later on when you've got another bit of free time, but they're a lovely distraction. I play lots of different games on my phone. I play so many, but I thoroughly enjoy all of them, and they're a great distraction. They're a great way of me just relaxing, putting my feet up and forgetting about my troubles. I'm going to go and get these noodles before they literally boil away. Practically have boiled away. But I'm going to go and get my noodles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.